Today, we're gonna talk about how to do kettlebell swings. First, start by standing up with both legs on the edge of the kettlebell. Now to take the best stance for the kettlebell swings, open up your right leg with your toes and then with your heels, and then do the same with your left leg. And that should be a good stance for your kettlebell swings. Now go down, grab the kettlebell and make sure that your back is straight and shoulders are retracted. Remove the slack out of the kettlebell by placing it on its edge and then swing it between your legs and push it forward with your hips and glutes until you are standing up tall. Make sure not to pull with your shoulders and keep the swinging effect coming from your hips and glutes. Keep bracing your core and keep your head neutral throughout the whole movement. Keep on repeating until the set is complete.